After 30 years as an airline pilot, I set out on a road trip that I've always dreamed of. Just me and my old British sports car, bound for Newfoundland. This isn't just a car story, it's about retirement freedom, solo adventure, and rediscovering myself after age 65. Whether you're retired, traveling alone, or just dreaming of a great road trip, come along with me for the ride. And yes, you can do this too. Hey, I want to share something with you. Most people over 65 have been told that retirement only works if you're wealthy. But the truth is, most seniors aren't. Just like you and me. Many of us are living off Social Security and dealing with fixed incomes and facing rising costs. But money isn't the only kind of wealth. Time, freedom, and wisdom are just as important. But I'm not done with living, and neither should you. What's the one place you like to go, no matter what your budget is? Leave a comment. I'd love to hear your story. It's like really blowing. I'm at the ends of the world. You know, I just given you a whole lot of information. You may want to go back and watch this video over again. Pretty cool place. Travel in retirement isn't about checking off countries. It's about rediscovery of places, people, and most of all, yourself. There's nobody here. I don't know if you can hear me with all this wind, but it's absolutely insane. And there's no trees anywhere. I can imagine what it must be like in February. There'd be icebergs out there. Totally insane. This channel isn't just about me. It's about you and I. It's about us. People over 65, living solo, living on a budget, but still chasing purpose. Whether you're doing it in a boat or a car or flying off someplace, you're not alone. Hit the subscribe button and join our community. And just remember, the best stories aren't behind us. We're just getting started.